Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. OpenAI unveils GPT-5.4 Mini and Nano, most capable. At small models to date, OpenAI has officially launched GPT-5.4 Mini and Nano, marking a significant leap in efficient, high-performance AI. These lightweight models are engineered to deliver near-flagship capabilities while drastically reducing latency and operational costs. Designed for mobile integration and edge computing, the Nano version allows for sophisticated on-device processing without cloud reliance. This release targets developers and enterprises seeking scalable solutions for high-volume tasks, offering a refined balance between compact architecture and advanced reasoning power to dominate the increasingly competitive small model market. Fujifilm India unveils Instax Mini 13, enhanced design and new features. Fujifilm India is set to launch the Instax Mini 13, bringing a fresh aesthetic and functional upgrades to its popular instant camera lineup. The new model features a refined, rounded design and introduces a simplified twist-to-power mechanism that also activates the dedicated close-up selfie mode. Key improvements include enhanced automatic exposure and flash control, ensuring vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. Targeting Gen Z and creative enthusiasts, the Instax Mini 13 combines retro charm with modern ease of use, strengthening Fujifilm's dominant position in India's growing analog photography market. Airtel launches high-value recharge plan, 3 GB daily data and free Netflix for 84 days. Airtel has introduced a premium prepaid plan priced at Rs 1,799, targeting heavy data users and entertainment enthusiasts. Valid for 84 days, the pack offers 3 GB of daily 4G data alongside unlimited 5G connectivity in supported areas. A major highlight is the included Netflix basic subscription, allowing users to stream content seamlessly. Additional perks include unlimited voice calling, 100 daily SMS, and Apollo 27 Circle benefits. This comprehensive bundle aims to provide a one-stop solution for high-speed internet and premium OTT entertainment. TCS launches Rapid Outcome AI Platform, powered by NVIDIA to accelerate enterprise innovation. Tata Consultancy Services TCS has unveiled its Rapid Outcome AI Platform, a specialized framework built on the NVIDIA AI enterprise stack. Designed to fast-track the deployment of generative AI solutions, the platform provides businesses with pre-built blueprints and specialized tools for industry-specific use cases. By leveraging NVIDIA's high-performance computing power and TCS's domain expertise, it enables enterprises to scale AI initiatives with greater speed and reduce complexity. This collaboration aims to drive tangible business results, transforming operational efficiency and customer experiences through advanced, secure, and scalable AI infrastructure. iQOO celebrates milestone as community surpasses 6 million members. High-performance smartphone brand iQOO has officially announced that its global community has exceeded 6 million members, marking a significant achievement in its growth. This milestone highlights the brand's successful customer-first strategy, which fosters direct engagement with tech enthusiasts and gamers. By providing a platform for feedback, exclusive previews, and localized events, iQOO has built a loyal user base that actively shapes future product development. The company aims to further strengthen this ecosystem through interactive initiatives, ensuring its devices remain closely aligned with the evolving needs of its rapidly expanding community. Oura Ring 4 launches in India. Premium smart ring priced at Rs 28,900. The Oura Ring 4 has officially debuted in India, bringing advanced health tracking technology to the finger. Priced at Rs 28,900, the Smart Ring features smart sensing technology for improved accuracy across various finger sizes and skin tones. Available on Amazon and Chroma, it offers comprehensive monitoring for sleep, heart rate, and activity levels. While the hardware is premium, users will still require a monthly subscription to unlock the full suite of data insights. This launch marks Aura's strategic expansion into India's growing wearable wellness market. Today's AI tool is Photiu AI, simplified background removal and image cleanup. Photiu AI is a versatile, web-based photo editor designed for rapid background removal and image restoration. Supporting high-resolution files up to 4K, it offers a seamless workflow for e-commerce and social media creators without requiring an account for basic use. Beyond its core one-click background stripper, the platform features a magic eraser for object removal, AI upscaling, and a text-to-image generator. With manual fine-tuning tools and support for 18 languages, Photiu AI provides an affordable, professional-grade solution for high-quality, watermark-free image editing. Our lead story is about Tamil Nadu manufacturing hub faces sharp malware spike, revealed a secret cybersecurity firm Secret has reported a significant surge in malware infections across Tamil Nadu's manufacturing belt throughout 2025. The data indicates that industrial sectors are increasingly targeted by sophisticated threats, including ransomware and spyware, aimed at disrupting supply chains and stealing intellectual property. Experts attribute this rise to the rapid digitalization of factory floors and the vulnerability of legacy systems. The report emphasizes the urgent need for robust endpoint security and proactive threat hunting to safeguard critical infrastructure against evolving cyber attacks in India's industrial heartland. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.